Winter is coming. That's right. Another season of snow. Cold and darkness is on its way. If you can't get out of winter by flying south, get into winter by making the best of the season. One way to make winter work for you is by getting prepared for the worst. We've put together a list of the 10 items you need in your winter survival kit. Whether you opt for a pre-made kit or make your own, here's what you should have on hand this winter to be ready for whatever nature throws your way. Number 10. Asmart's heated gloves. Once the temperatures drop, our favorite winter activities can begin. We're talking skiing, ice fishing, sledding, and of course, many of us would like to continue our daily outdoor activities such as running, motorcycle riding, skiing, ice fishing, sledding, shoveling, and much more. You need all the best gear to keep you from freezing, including a good winter coat, winter boots, and a pair of fleece-lined leggings. You'll also want the best heated gloves you can find if your hands and fingers tend to get too cold in regular gloves. Asmart's heated gloves is the world's first fully intelligent glove. When our cold hands need warmth, you just put your hands into Asmart's heated gloves. It will automatically help you turn on the switch and help you adjust the temperature to the highest temperature. The temperature reaches up to 65 degrees Celsius, so that your hands quickly reach the temperature you need. Number 9. The Pocket Snowshoes. Traditional snowshoes have always been large. Like, really large. Large enough to make you leave them at home unless you're 100% sure you'll need them. Until now. On snowy hikes, while practicing extreme winter sports, or just enjoying the mountains. This is the world's most compact snowshoe for your comfort. Since they're inflatable, they fold down into easy-to-carry bags when you're not using them and weigh just over a kilo. You can keep them with you at any time, so that you're always prepared for both unexpected and expected snowfalls. In addition, they're designed to allow your boots to make solid contact with the surface beneath you, providing excellent traction with all the benefits of a floating support. Number 8. Lifesystems Reusable Hand Warmers. Suitable for various settings from mountain trails to bus stops, this versatile warmer features a compact design that fits in your pocket, providing near-instant heat for up to 45 minutes. The special gel crystallizes upon contact with a metal disc and heats to 54 degrees Celsius in 10 seconds. It can also be reused. Just boil it in water for 8 minutes and you can use it again. The warmer weighs 118 grams and measures 9 by 9 centimeters. Number 7. WIndPole. You can't survive without fire in cold weather. Take a look at this versatile blower, which you can use for various tasks, from starting a fire to keeping the coals in your grill hot. It even comes with a steel attachment that's handy for turning firewood. This blower is pretty lightweight at 251 grams, making it easy to handle with one hand. Its 58 centimeter length is perfect for larger grills and campfires. To power it up, you'll need 2 AA batteries, which will keep it running for about 2 hours. Number 6. Alpine X. The most comfortable to carry hybrid mountain ice axe. Imagine being high up on a classic route. You have your axe in your hand the whole time. A lightweight hybrid ice axe for general mountaineering. Its ergonomic shape makes it especially comfortable to carry in the hand when used for support on ascents and descents. Its strong, aggressive steel blade gives improved penetration in steep alpine couloirs or for glacier work. With a sharpened shovel for effective cutting steps and chopping ledges and straight shaft for smooth plunging and secure belay construction. This gadget can be a great tool in extreme situations. Number 5. Cave XL4. The Cave XL4 stands out as an ideal tent for extreme cold weather thanks to its innovative design. It ditches traditional poles in favor of inflatable, high-pressure Dacron tubes, enabling a rapid 45-second setup even when wearing thick gloves. The inflatable tubes create a robust dome shape, capable of withstanding strong winds and heavy snow loads. With a generous 58 square feet of interior living space and a peak height of 44 inches, it comfortably accommodates occupants and their gear. Despite its weight of 14 pounds and bulky packing, its unique features make it a compelling choice for cold weather camping. The absence of an external vestibule is offset by the tent's spacious interior, providing ample room for both shelter and gear storage in challenging winter conditions. Number 4. Stoke Voltaics Electric Kettle. You can't survive in cold weather without hot water. Now, check out this mug, described as your personal chef. Why? Because it does more than just heat water. It can cook up a bunch of different meals such as soups, stews, pasta, veggies, grains, and even popcorn. The mug figures out the right temperature and cooking time all by itself. And once a meal's ready, it shuts off on its own. Thanks to its 500-watt output, it takes just 5 minutes to boil some water. Plus, it can hold up to 470 milliliters of food. So, if you are dealing with extremely cold weather, this mug's got your back. Number 3. Ignik FireCan. In anticipation of the year 2100, where global forest fires are expected to increase by roughly 50%, a major factor contributing to these incidents is the inadequate management of campfires. Many campers lack the knowledge to safely ignite and extinguish fires, leading to tragic consequences, such as the devastating 2003 fire that consumed more than 27 hectares of Yosemite National Park. To address this issue and provide a safer yet equally comforting option for extreme cold conditions, the portable gas fireplace emerges as a remarkable solution. Compact and highly efficient in keeping you warm, these fireplaces come in various models with weights ranging from 4.6 to 6.4 kilograms. And all versions can be used with heat-storing rocks for enhanced warmth and comfort in chilly environments. Number 2. Fjallraven Nuuk. The Fjallraven Nuuk parka is an outstanding choice for extreme cold weather, offering an exceptional balance of fit, warmth, and meticulous attention to detail. Designed by a Swedish brand with extensive experience in Arctic conditions, this parka is expertly crafted to keep you warm, even in the harshest cold weather. It features an impressive 8.8 ounces of synthetic microloft insulation, ensuring effective warmth even when wet, a crucial advantage in cold and damp environments. Additionally, the parka boasts a weather-sealed outer layer with a waterproof and breathable rating of 10K out of 10K, making it highly resilient to harsh weather conditions. With a multitude of pockets for storage, including micro fleece-lined hand pockets, cargo pockets, chest pockets, and cleverly concealed Napoleon pockets, the Fjallraven Nuuk parka is a top-notch choice for staying warm, dry, and well-prepared in extreme cold conditions. Number 1. Messy Weekend Snow Goggles. This elite goggles with 2 new lens technologies, XE2 and XEP, will make you amazed. The dual-layered lens is manufactured of a Grade 1 optical quality polycarbonate, which makes them both thin, lightweight, and practically unbreakable. They provide a high-contrast view, and the violet base secures enhanced color recognition, unveiling details normally invisible for the naked eye. With an XE2 lens, contrast-enhancing dyes are added to fine-tune the light spectrum and thereby increase contrasts and reduce glare, developed explicitly for snow sport and mountain conditions. As we wrap up our journey through the top 10 survival gadgets for extreme cold weather, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Did you discover a must-have gadget or have your own winter survival tips to share? Don't keep it to yourself. Drop a comment, and share this video with your fellow adventurers. Together, let's make cold weather escapades even more thrilling and secure.